Hello everyone, in this video we are going to explain collections in Blender. To do that, we are going to try and separate our scene into two groups, one for characters and one for background. Objects collections are similar to what you might call layers or groups in other software. Each collection and your scene can hold objects of any kind for the purpose of organizations or rendering. You can also have collections within collections for further organization. In fact, that's what's already been done, as the scene collection acts as the parent collection for all collections in a scene, as you can see here. Now, to start us off, let's make a scene that makes sense for our purpose. What we want to do is separate our scene into character objects and background objects. I am going to go ahead and scale this cube up until we are inside of it. This will be our environment or background. Then I am going to add a new object, monkey. This monkey, also known as Suzanne, will act as our character. If you take a look at the outliner, you can see that our monkey has already been added to our existing collection. Whenever you add objects in the 3D viewport, they will be added to whatever collection you have selected at the time. Let's move our character into a character collection. To do that, create an empty collection first. To do this, simply right-click any empty space in the outliner and click New. This will create a new collection within the scene collection. If instead of empty space, you right-click a collection name, it will create a new collection within the collection you right-clicked. Now, if you look at our outliner, you can see that our monkey is in our character collection. Rename collections at any time by double-clicking or control-clicking their names in the outliner. So, let's go ahead and rename our name collection as BG or background. We can then move our cube, which is our background object, to our background collection in the viewport. Now, we have our character object and background object in their respective collections. You can check and uncheck each collection to toggle their visibility. This will turn off during render as well for the view layer you have selected. To show you how view layers work with collection, I will create a new layer up here. As you can see, the checked or unchecked state of each collection is unique to each view layer. But what about our light and camera objects? Let's say we want to have these objects in both the background and character collections, so that they are visible whenever we isolate either one. However, when we try move objects to more than one collection, it doesn't work. While it is possible to link objects to more than one collection using the Shift M hotkey, a preferable way is to use collection within collections. Let's take a look at how that might work. First thing I am going to do is rename our collection to car/bg, car being short for character. If we were to simply drag the character and bg collections into our car/bg collection, we can now toggle all collections within our car/bg collection off or on with one check mark, but also keep the light and camera objects on while toggling the other two. This achieves the same thing as adding the light and camera objects to both character and background collection. Now that we have all of our objects in their proper collections, you can collapsing and expanding our collections in case your outliner ever gets too busy by clicking this arrow on the left of the collection name. Simply click this arrow again to expand it. You will notice a few icons next to the collection names. These icons represent what type of object exists within each collection. For example, right now our character collection has only one object, but if we collapse the car/bg collection, you will see that it contains two collections, two meshes, one light and one camera. This is very helpful for seeing at a glance what objects are within each collection in case you need a reminder. Now, let's say for whatever reason I want to delete this car/bg collection. Deleting a collection doesn't delete the objects within the collection. For example, if we select the car/bg collection in our outliner and hit the delete key, the collection is deleted, but the objects within the collection are moved outside of that collection. As a final tip, in the outliner you can press the eyeball icon to toggle on and off a viewport and visibility. This will not affect your renders, but will allow you to hide objects and collection while you work. collections are very powerful and the foundation of object organization in Blender. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one.